Let's go! Exploring math, learning dance with the Duchess of Digits. Dash! Let's have fun with math, one dance at a time. Dance equations!
Welcome back to Dance Equations, where we explore the intersection between mathematics and dance. I'm Dash, the Duchess of Digits. Today, we are going to explore and talk about the harmonic series and how we can represent this information in dance. If you have never had a chance to study the mathematics of the harmonic series, I highly suggest you do. So let's dive into the harmonic series. The harmonic series is a relationship between a bass note and overtones. When we hear a note, we are actually hearing the layering of many different notes. There are thousands of layered notes, but our ear can only pick up the first few. Harmonics are sine waves with frequencies that are integer multiples of the bass frequency. Let's look at this diagram. Here's a bass note, the second harmonic, third, fourth, and fifth, and so on. Here's the frequency, F equals N, and the second harmonic frequency equals 2 times N, the third 3 times N, etc. We can see that the bass note and the second harmonic are one full octave with a 2-to-1 ratio. Between the next, a 3-to-2 ratio, the next, a 4-to-3 ratio. These are known in music as the perfect fifth and the perfect fourth. We can also look at these notes on a scale. Here, I've started with a C. However, we could start from any note and the mathematical progression would be the same. So how might I look at this from a dancer's perspective? Choreographers often use a technique called theme and variation. We will develop a phrase of movement, and instead of coming up with multiple new phrases to form a dance piece, we'll rework a phrase or phrases. It's pleasing to the audience to see this repetition and form in a dance, just as it's pleasing to have this order in music. We are going to represent the ratios within the harmonic series in a dance. I have created a phrase with 3 gestures or moves. This will be our bass note or phrase. I'm going to use the bass note and the first 3 overtone series layered in this section of my dance. To make it easy, my bass phrase is going to be 12 counts since it will be easily divisible with the other harmonics and the ratios I have chosen. Because it's 12 counts, each of my gestures will need to be 4 counts. Here is what the bass phrase looks like. Let's take a look at the bass frequency. 12 counts, 1 phrase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Try that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, one more time. You do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's create the second harmonic. I need to do the phrase twice within the same 12 counts. So each step is going to be 2 counts instead of 4. Now let's take a look at the second harmonic. We need to fit the same phrase in twice to the 12 count structure. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For the third harmonic, I have 3 waves. So I need to fit the phrase in 3 times. Each phrase is now only 4 counts. So the steps are slightly more than 1 count in length, 1.3 to be exact. Here we go with the third harmonic series. We need to fit this phrase in 3 times now on the 12 count structure. So each phrase needs to be 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our last variation will represent the 4th harmonic. I will need to repeat the phrase 4 times within 12 counts, making each step only 1 count and each phrase 3 counts. Great, now let's have a look at the 4th. We need to fit in our phrase 4 times within the 12 count structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So let's see what all of this looks like together. The 2-to-1 ratio, the 3-to-2 ratio, the 4-to-3 ratio, and of course, all of them together. So now it's your turn, working in small groups or dividing yourself into groups that can also represent the harmonic ratios, like groups of 1, 2, 3, 4. Come up with your own dance and see if you can choreograph with different sections of the harmonic series. When it's time to perform, explore working with notes from the harmonic series. See which sequences are pleasing to the eye and also pleasing to the ear. This is just one way I use mathematics and choreography. If you'd like to learn more, I offer online courses via my website, www.danceequations.com. And I work one-on-one with teachers. Each week I have a Q&A, so please sign up as a member in order to receive updates. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this here. If there's a particular theme you'd like me to explore, leave that in the comments below. I hope this has inspired you and shown you that dance is awesome and a great way to get away from the decks, expressing yourself, exploring math in real time. Psst, teachers, I have 2 book resources in my program, Dance Equations. The first is called Beyond Movement. And in this book, I focus on showing you how to teach dance and also how to explore mathematical themes with dance. In my second book, Choreography and Mathematics, I focus on using mathematic formulas and equations to create dance choreography. This lesson is from the second book. See you next time and keep on dancing.